Hi students, this is your reading lesson for week 3 on Thursday. It's our last one virtually, as far as we know. All right, so here we go. So remember, our story is fins. Fins. So we're going to read our story. Read it with me. Read it along with me. Say the words out loud. Fins help fish. The tail fin helps fish. It helps fish move in the water. The top fin helps fish. It helps fish not tip over. The side fins help fish. They help fish stop. Thin fins make fish zip fast. Big fins make fish swim slowly. All right, so that's it for this is called our Read Naturally story. So I hope you've been practicing this. You'll get a new one every week, especially when we start coming back to school. And what you're expected to do is practice this at home as much as you can, because you're going to come back to school and read this for me, and I'm going to see how many words you can read. So you want to practice this as much as you can. Now we're going to go into our journey story. But first, let's go over our words. What is this word? He. He walked across the street with his friends. Look. Children look at water from the fire hose. Look. Have. We have fun seeing the fast fire truck. Have. 2. They took hats and the sunblock too. 4. The doctor had a kind smile for Anne. 4. What? What do people do to help you feel safe? What? All right, so let's go ahead and read our story one last time this week. The story is The Storm. I bet you can tell me what happens in the storm. Go ahead, say it out loud. What happens in the storm? What happens in this story? Let's see if you're right. Here we go. Pop has come in. Look, he is wet. Tim and Rip ran to him. Tim, Rip, and Pop have fun. Tim had to go to bed. What did Tim and Rip see? Tim hid in his bed. Rip hid too. Look what Pop had for Tim. Tim had a sip. Pop had a hug for Tim. He had a hug for Rip too. Pop sat with Tim and Rip, and they fell asleep. How nice. So that was our story for this week, and I wanted to talk to you about our kinds of storms. So we have a thunderstorm, and thunderstorm has thunder and lightning. It can bring heavy rain. A tornado is a strong, twisting wind. It is shaped like a cone. Hey, you guys know what a cone looks like. A hurricane is a very big storm. It has strong spinning winds and rain. A dust storm is a strong wind that carries dust for miles. So there's all kinds of storms, not just the kind that the story was about. And then I wanted to talk to you about something else. I wanted to talk to you about what our next story is going to be. So we're going to work on this, not this coming week, but next week. And it's going to be about Curious George at school and the man in the yellow hat. So I want you to be really excited for this story because I think it's going to be a really fun one to read. So that's it for your reading lesson today. You will have your vocabulary test to do, and good luck.